How to check IP rating of iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on General. Inside the General settings, select About at the very top. Here, you can see your model name to confirm which device you have. Next, open up the Safari web browser. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in your phone model name and IP rating. Visit the official Apple website to find out more details about the IP rating of your phone. You can now find out the IP rating of your phone from here. The IP rating indicates the level of protection against dust and water. This page provides detailed information on splash, water, and dust resistance for different iPhone models. Scroll down the list to find your specific device. Suppose you can confirm that the iPhone 15 has an IP68 rating. This means it can be submerged in up to 6 meters of water for 30 minutes under controlled conditions. Following these steps, you can easily check the IP rating of an iPhone.